Hey guys, I'm back today and I'm going to show you my new already made slime that I made today. So, today I made this cool type of smooth, like very smooth slime. And you know what? I love it. Made it today morning. So, yesterday my dad got me some glue so I could make my slime. And it was the night, so I couldn't make my slime. So today I finally made my slime in the morning and here we go. So like it's really light that I do like, and it's really pretty. It's like a summer grass color. So, you don't know one thing that I can do is one thing that I can make a bubble. I can make a bubble out of it. I can make a bubble out of it. Bubble. Oh yeah, so this is the glue my dad got me. It is 950 ml. Oops. Oh, I think it was the other bottle that I saw was like 39 or something like that. So I got mixed up. So let's make a slime bubble. So what we need to do is we just need to let it loose, and we need to stretch it at the same time. And then after that, we're gonna make a big bubble like this. That actually isn't be a bubble. It's like not even a bubble. It's like a flat surface. Good game. I love slime. People want slime forever. So then, this is the noise. It is so satisfying. Like, no, right? So, I'm gonna make one more bubble. I feel so good. I feel so good. So good, so good. I feel so good. So good, so good. No. Failed. Wah, wah, wah. I made it in the morning. It's like it's pooping or farting. Let's chat him. Scooch that bubble. Very slow. Don't do it fast. Or else I get tired because I did it kind of fast. Because I was not like, you have to be like really slow. Sometimes I feel like this is Play-Doh. It's not. One time, somebody was asking me, what's the difference in Play-Doh and slime? And I'm like, oh, yo, really? Like, seriously? Nobody knows the difference in slime and Play-Doh. It's like, that's more thick. This is more, it just slips out your hand. Then that one, it's like, you can mold it into shapes. This, it just, see, 1 second. It just, like, goes down if you mold it into shape, see? See? It just goes down like this. So, let's make another bubble. God. whatever. So, and these are my friends. Oh my god, that was like it crunched again. So, this is my friends. Well, I made it for my friends. These are my, I made these slimes for my friends. So, and then they're like 4 brothers and 1 sister. So like, this is one of the slime. This is the second one. Second one, it's kind of close to this, but this is like darker. And then there's like this pink one. Then there is this blue one. This blue one is like the very first one I made. Like, it's the seriously very first one. So, I'm drowning every day, drowning every day, drowning every day, and I can't wait back. So, I hope you like this video. I hope you like it. And make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like this video. And put in the comments which of these slimes do you like, including this one. So, put it in the comments which slime you like. Okay, bye!